Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jacoby. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make a volleyball highlight video. I'm so excited. This is like my specialty because I love editing videos, obviously. And I cannot wait. Okay, so we're going to get into what a highlight video is. So basically a highlight video is the highlights of you playing volleyball. So literally like your best hits, serves, blocking, passing, like all this stuff. Like you want to get the highlights of each game that you play. Let's answer this question. What's the difference between a highlight video and a skills video? Okay, so a highlight video literally highlights your skills. It shows like all the exciting moments, like all like the, oh my gosh, like that was so good moments, right? It's not like you just playing volleyball like unedited. It's like what, like all the wow moments. All the moments are like, wow, she's really good. Like those type of moments you want to put all together in your highlight video. A skills video basically just shows like your basic skills, but it's not necessarily like an exciting video, you know what I mean? Like your skills video just shows you getting reps essentially. Like so it shows you getting reps with passing. So it's just like maybe a minute or so, or maybe even like 30 seconds of you passing, like, and then like the next section's like serving, and then the next section's like blocking. Like it's not in a game setting, and it's just probably like you and then someone who can serve at you, hit at you, etc. Okay, so the next step is going to be to compile all of your raw game footage. So what you can use to edit, if you have like an Apple device, like an iPhone or a MacBook, you can use iMovie, which is free. Or if you have Final Cut Pro, and you can use like a, what is it, like a 2-week free trial or a month free trial, something like that. They have a free trial, but that one does cost money. So I would suggest, I don't know, either one, whatever works for you. And then I guess if you have a PC, I'm trying to think of what you could use. I don't know, because I don't have a PC. Maybe like Movie Maker, if that's still a thing. But then also, if you have an iPhone or even an Android, I think you can use like CapCut. That's out of the way now. So you need to compile all of your raw footage into your editor. You want to go through and you want to basically like make a rough cut. You want to clip what you think are like the best highlights of you and whatever makes you look the most exciting, right? And you're gonna chop down all your footage and cut out like all like the dead spaces, like stuff that you just don't want in your video. After you have all your clips that are like a little cut down but they're not like finalized, you're gonna categorize them by skill category. So you're gonna categorize them by hitting, and by hitting I mean all the kills you get, and then serving, basically like all the aces that you got, blocking, those can be things like stuff blocks or solo blocks, and then defense, those are just really impressive digs. Serve receive, those are just going to be like great serve receive passes, like right to the setter type of passes. And then setting, just great setting, difficult sets, something like that, really just impressive things. So those are going to be all your categories. And then you're going to comb through your game footage and find multiple clips of each skill. So you want to have like multiple clips for each category, because you don't want to just have one clip for a kill, one clip of a serve. Like you want to have multiple different shots. You want the coach to see how like versatile you are, so it's important to like kind of be able to show them all the different things you can do within that one category. So for example, like if I was categorizing all of my hits or all of my kills, excuse me, I would show me getting a kill down the line, I would show me getting a kill cross, I would show me getting a kill with a tip or roll shot, like mix it up. Okay, same thing for digging. Like you want to show you digging maybe out of left back, right back, middle back, diving, pancakes, like stuff like that. Like you just want to show how versatile you are, so you want to show different angles and all that good stuff. So I guess a good rule of thumb would be to pick out like maybe 5 at the very least to like maybe 10, 12 clips of each category. Make sure that once you get like all your categories, you want to cut any dead time. Say you're trying to show you getting like a kill, like you don't want to show like the pass that leads up to the setter and the setter setting you. Like you just want the ball to almost be in the setter's hands, and like that's where you want to start the clip, and then she said to you, you hit the ball, you get the kill, it's seen, cut it. Like you want to keep the video like moving and flowing. Like you don't want it to be like, okay, like where's the next clip? Like you want it to be exciting because it's a highlight video and it's supposed to be like, wow, exciting. Now for video length, you want the video to be like anywhere from like 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, like you don't want it to be too long, but you don't want it to be like 30 seconds either, you know. You want them to get a good picture, so maybe 2 minutes. I would say 3.5 minutes, 4 is like the sweet spot, but like 5 is like on the higher end. But also like if you have a lot of clips, you could have one of those 8 minutes, I don't know, but like you want to keep it like within 2 to 5 minutes. That's my suggestion. Next, leave the sound on your video, please. Unless someone's talking in the background, cut that. But if it's just like the sound of like volleyball, like shoes squeaking and balls getting hit, whistles, leave it in. Because background music is so unnecessary. Like, you don't need to do that. Like, that's so extra. Like, it's like, they're just really trying to watch you play volleyball, so just leave the sound in. That's perfectly fine. Now, you want to leave your email or your contact information wherever they can see it. So whether you post it on YouTube or like Instagram, you want to leave it like in the caption, or if it's YouTube, you want to leave it in the description. Just make sure they have somewhere that they, or somewhere, some way that they can see how to contact you, because that's very important, obviously, because you don't want to just post your highlight video and then them not know how to contact you, because that's how they're gonna talk to you and be like, okay, like, hey, like, we're interested, blah blah blah. So it's really important just to have a recruiting email that you can put in your description boxes or your captions. You can also leave your email in your video if you want to, like at the end or at the beginning. Like, put your name, your height, like your stats, like your height, your vertical position, email. Boom. That's a great way to also do that. That's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!